Hi girls, I hope you're having a great day. It was so wonderful doing our class the other day on creating healthy relationships with yourself and others. I am sending along this video to talk you through the take-home activity that we suggested you doing, which is a bookmark of relationships. So there is a page that explains how to do it. It's page 8 of your workbook, and it just says healthy relationship bookmark, so it should be pretty easy to find. If you read through those instructions, it should be pretty clear, but I wanted to go through it now together. So on the first side, the first step that you need to do is you need to find some paper that you want to make a bookmark out of. Ideally something thicker like cardstock, poster paper, construction paper. And you can cut it out into the size and shape you want. So I kind of cut mine out into a swirly little thing that you can do, and I chose a paper that was pink on one side and white on the other. I might add some color to both sides. And then on the first side, you're going to write 3 to 5 indicators of a healthy relationship. So you're going to think back to our workshop and think back to what are the qualities that you want from a relationship that means that it's healthy. So you might write that you feel safe. For a lot of you, you focused on being able to be yourself. Honesty, not sharing your secrets. There was a lot of really good ideas. So kind of reflect back to what you're thinking there. If you don't remember everything, you wrote a lot of criteria that you have or what you define as a healthy relationship on the my personal relationship criteria page. So you can go back there and then you're going to write those key indicators on the healthy side of your bookmark. Okay? And then once you're done that, you will actually do then the indicators of an unhealthy relationship. So some of the warning signs that a relationship is unhealthy. Remember, a relationship can be with friends, it can be with classmates, it can be with family members. So what are the key indicators that a relationship isn't healthy? Maybe you don't feel safe. You don't feel like you can trust that person. You don't have healthy space with that person. And we discussed a lot of different ones on the red flags page. So you can go back and pick some of the ones that are most important to you to put on the unhealthy side. So don't forget that there's some already written for healthy on personal relationship criteria and some already written for unhealthy on red flags that you can use for inspiration. Of course, you can always add new ideas as they come to you. And then you're going to write out the unhealthy and write out the healthy and then decorate it. So you can decorate it and visually represent what a healthy relationship and unhealthy relationship look like to you, or you can physically represent some of the boundaries, visually represent some of the boundaries that you're planning on setting, and then just decorate your bookmark so that you really like it and want to use it. And then the idea is that while you're reading, that you use this bookmark as kind of a constant reminder to anchor you into what a healthy relationship looks like. And you want to pretty consistently when you're reading kind of look at this bookmark and remind yourself of what you expect from a relationship and what you will not tolerate and where you will set boundaries. So then in the future, as you're entering into relationships, creating new relationships with new friends and new people, you can make sure that you ask yourself, is this a healthy relationship by my definition? Does it have these criteria? Or are there any of those red flags showing, any of these unhealthy ones? And then you might know that you need to set a boundary. And in some cases, like we talked about in our workshop, ask for help if you need help setting that boundary from an adult or a person that you trust. So the idea is to look at this as often as possible to serve as a constant reminder of what you see as healthy and unhealthy relationships. That's everything I have for today. I cannot wait to see the bookmarks. Remember, these supplemental activities are really important to kind of really further explore and deepen your understanding of the topic. So I would really love to see them and see all of you bring out your creative side when making your bookmarks. Bye-bye. Thank you.